What is good, YouTube? What's the word, man? You see, man, we up in the 6-speed, man. We up in the Challenger, man. I'm finna go to this rooftop and give y'all a, hold on now. I'm gonna give y'all a idea of what it's like to drive a 6-speed. I'm gonna do a little video in a second driving, but I'm finna go to the rooftop, man, give y'all some exterior views. Real quick. Give y'all some exterior views, man. Just drop these windows on them. Alright, let's take y'all outside real quick. Let's go. Y'all see it, man. 2016 Challenger RT Plus Blacktop Edition, man. 6-speed manual, TR6060 transmission, of course. Pretty stock. Besides, I have a shift knob I put on there, and I got a custom exhaust with the resonators deleted. YouTube, what it do, man? Talk to me, man. Let me know if y'all feeling them yellow brake calipers as well, too. Let's go in the cabin real quick. Oh man, it's a little dirty up in here. Hold up, man. Don't mind the mess. Don't mind the mess. And you know we got them driving shoes on deck. As you see, we don't do no capping over here. 6-speed at about 49,000 miles, man. Finna hit 50K miles on them boys. 50K on the 2016, man. I guess I ain't do too bad. I just washed this car yesterday, and the back is already dirty. As you see, got the RT badge, man. Let me know in the comments if y'all want to know where that come from. It come off a different vehicle. For a hint, I'll tell you it come off of an SUV. That's a hint I'll give you. So I'm gonna set this camera down and give y'all a couple revs, man. Got a voice on her. Let me tell you about it, man. Got the aluminum pedals, man. She loaded, man. I ain't gonna lie. She loaded, man. She loaded, man. Got the good Alpine system, man. I believe this car got every single option on it, man. Every option on the paper. I want to show y'all some views over here in Jacksonville, Florida here. So we got, as the federal courthouse here, man. The beautiful Jacksonville Library. Oh man, give y'all a couple views, man. As you see, the beautiful, beautiful Jacksonville Public Library on the 6th floor. Man, you see the views, man. Look at the pretty blue sky. You see it, man. You know, we just outside with it. Yep, you see it, man. 6th floor. Got the Veterans Memorial Arena. You can't see it from here, but the Jag Stadium is back there, some over there. But yep, yes sir. You got the Main Street Bridge, Blue Bridge. You got some lofts over there, some more apartments, some lofts. Hyatt Regency Hotel. And down here, man, you got, you know, 6'4" shawty. So yep. But yeah, man, we're gonna get back into the whip, man. Change these shoes real quick. We're gonna do some driving around the city. A couple of little POV. Let y'all check it out, man. So I'll get back with y'all in just a moment.
Thank you for your business. Please drive safely.
Okay, 392. Yeah, man, it's downtown Jacksonville right here. If y'all can see over the dash here, it's downtown Jacks right here. I think we're gonna take y'all over to we're gonna run down Bay Street. If y'all can see, man, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day out, man. This is the perfect day to record. Coffee, man. I ain't gonna lie. I want some freaking coffee. Come on now. Make that turn, man. I'm finna give y'all one, man. I'll give y'all one. Sir, you see it, man. Give y'all a quick little pull. We're gonna try to rock out. I hope no one try to bother me or hope this damn thing wanna act like it wanna work though, I'll tell you that much. But yeah, man, you see we in the 6-speed, man. Traction off, sport mode on. That's how we do it. Got it over here, man. We ain't worried about nothing. Switch over here real quick. I'm finna run up in this gas station real quick, man. And yes sir, put that signal on. Don't hit me in the bike. Clutch in, first gear. While y'all honking at me, they go police, hope they don't see me recording. Yeah. I'm gonna get back with y'all in a moment though.